It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha method of joyful design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. This video is all about the interior design trends to avoid in 2023. For my design clients and my YouTube followers, I'm using these 3 words to define their individuality: color, texture, and pattern. Be sure to watch till the end to hear the top 8 paint colors of the year for 2023. So what should you avoid in 2023? First up, we have ultra minimalism. Ultra minimalism is defined as being characteristic of having simplicity, clean lines. Typically, it has a monochromatic palette with color used very sparingly. It also focuses on the shape, color, and texture of just a handful of essential elements. Minimalism, and certainly ultra minimalism, can be pretty bare. Instead of minimalism, you're going to add more color, texture, and pattern to your home in 2023. In this basement family room, I use textured wallpaper, color pops in the wall art, and definitely in the soft goods, the pillows, and even in the dark woods to avoid that minimalist color palette. Design trend number 2 to avoid: blank walls. Second only to choosing a paint color, many people are intimidated by a blank wall. I'm going to get to paint color in just a moment, but right now, to cover those blank walls, let's talk art, wall decor, and wallpaper. Let's keep individuality in mind. That's our anchor for 2023. There's a perfect wallpaper for any design style that you can choose to transform your home. Not a fan of wallpaper? Don't worry. In 2023, wall art is going bold. You can really make a statement about your personality, your design preferences through wall decor and wall art. Don't be afraid to really fill up the space. Oversized wall art and decor can be a conversation piece, and it gives a home lots of personality. In this family room, I added much needed texture and dimension to the walls by hanging these woven baskets. I picked up the colors, the bright, bold colors in the abstract artwork on the wall, in the pillows, and in the decor in the lamps and the coffee table. Even more texture and depth was added to this room by paying attention to the smallest details. The mirror hanging above the console is a piece the homeowner had for quite some time. She wasn't sure that it would fit in with this new design, but that textured frame around the mirror was a perfect additional element to bring in more pattern and texture and architectural feature in this home. Number 3, trend to avoid in 2023, all new furnishings. That's right, you don't want everything looking like you purchased it right off the showroom floor. Instead, you want pieces in your home that have a legacy quality, heirloom pieces, and vintage pieces that have character, depth, and a special meaning that elevates the whole design and vibe in your home. In this family room, I incorporated a pair of vintage metal chairs that were a gift to the homeowner many years ago. Again, she initially thought they might not work with the new design, but I was able to show her how we can incorporate aged pieces that have lots of character and meaning into a room with new pieces of furniture. Design trend number 4 to avoid: relying on overhead lighting. There's no quicker way to kill the mood than to have too much light in a room. Instead, you want to rely on task lighting like table lamps and floor lamps. Some of my favorite floor lamps for 2023 are what we call gooseneck or arch lamps. You can get any of these lamps to fit any design style. You want that essential task lighting for reading, playing games, doing a puzzle, and even for having a conversation and watching television. Have you ever picked up the TV remote and you could not see the numbers? It's not because you're losing your eyesight, you just need better lighting. And remember, lighting can also make cool wall art. This family room has plenty of overhead pot lights to illuminate the entire room. But I was mindful to add lots of task lighting, keeping in mind the different kinds of activities that would happen in this room. I also suggest you avoid being matchy-matchy. The different sets of table lamps and the floor lamp all have unique differences. They have different colors and different textures, but what ties them together is the color tone of the lamp shades. Design trend number 5 to avoid in 2023, gray rooms, especially all gray everything. A gray on gray room feels minimalistic because of that tone-on-tone monochromatic color scheme. And that's something we want to avoid in 2023. Instead, you're going to pull in those 3 essential design elements: color, texture, and pattern. Now, you may not go as bold as this maximalist designed room, but you definitely want to add more color, pattern, and texture. You can definitely go bold with your wall paint color. And if that puts you off, then go for adding more color, pattern, and texture in your rugs, your sofa, and your decor. Again, design style does not matter. Any style can incorporate a gray on gray or neutral tone, but in 2023, avoid that. Here's the deal. In 2023 and beyond, you want your home to be full of your personality and your individuality. If I had allowed this homeowner to make selections inside her comfort zone, this family room would have been mostly gray on gray. Once I selected this area rug and showed her how this would pull all of the colors, texture, and pattern in the room together, she was sold. Hold up, wait a minute. I've got up next for you the top 8 paint colors for 2023. You don't want to miss this. I look forward to the announcements of the color of the year every year because I know I'm going to use at least one of them. In this mid-century modern home office, I used the 2021 Sherwin-Williams Color of the Year Urbane Bronze. This rich brown-black color tone was a wonderful backdrop for all of the caramel colored tones and the turquoise pop of color that I used in this mid-century modern home office. Choosing a paint color can be intimidating, but the good thing about using one of these paint colors of the year is you'll have lots of examples and inspiration to help you make your color choice. Now the top paint colors for 2023. Number 1, Spanish Moss by Krylon. Number 2, Raspberry Blush by Benjamin Moore. Number 3, Terra Rosa by Dunn Edwards. Number 4, Reddened Point by Sherwin-Williams. Number 5, Blank Canvas by Behr. All of these paints vary in price point, and many you can pick up at your local big box store. Number 6, Canyon Ridge by Better Homes and Gardens. Number 7, Binding Ivy by Glidden. And number 8, Rustic Greige by Dutch Boy. Let me know your favorite in the comment section below. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY DUO Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.